Hey there, we've got a new problem today in the old Ford Explorer. This is a 2008 and it's got 266,000 miles on it. And I get in it today, the fan control blower thingy, it's not working on the top two settings. Actually, it works on the top two settings, it's not working on the two low speeds. Check this out. There's our fan setting there. And if you feel what's coming out of here, there's nothing. Nothing. Got blowage. Got a lot of blowage. So those bottom two settings are completely dead. So I did a little searching on the web, and it looks like there is a blower motor resistor. It's inside the glove compartment. If you squish these things in, you'll be able to swing that down. And in here somewhere, let's see if I can find it. There, that's that one way back in there with the wires on it there. That one right back there, that thing. That's it. So we're going to pull that out and change it. So if you look back in there, there's two, I think they're 5/16 screws holding that thing in. I'm going to get back in there with an extension, socket extension, and see if I can get them out. Oops, I dropped it on the floor. Fortunately, they just fall out, so that's the kind of screw you got on that. There's two of them. I have to find the other one now. That big gray thing is in my way. There's a nut back behind it, and the part has to slide out. So I'm gonna get that gray thing out of the way. I'm gonna use one of these cheesy fork tool things and just kind of pry up on the back of it. There we go. Pull that all back out of the way. Woo. Hey, where'd it go? Lost my mind. Oh. Yep. There it is. Now, with that gray thing kind of pried out of the way, it's got a little white squiggly connector on there, so it just squishes off with that tool. Now I can get to that nut. I'll get that other nut out, and then we'll slide the part out. Alright, hey, that was easy. So I'm just going to reach in there and pull it out. It's a big square thing. Like that, and the connector's got a little release on it. Let me see if I can find that. So yes, on the bottom of this connector, right there's a little squishy pull tab. If you depress that with your finger, and the rest of it just pops off. Yeah. Yeah, easier said than done. Alright, you squeeze that bottom thing. There it goes. It comes right out. So that's the part that is broken. They're not repairable as far as I know. And I'll put a link to the part down below. Basically what I got from, got this one from, where did I get it from? Amazon. So there it is. It's a resistor. So there's the new one, all nice and clean and shiny. And I'll stick it back in and screw it in. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, it's blowing. We got blowage. Awesome. So that was a pretty easy job. If your blower motor stops blowing, order yourself up one of those resistors and stick it in. It's not too hard to get out, and it's pretty accessible. Thanks for watching.